Since I came to this company, I have never lived something like this before in my life. Come and see. This one here, very cheap. You see? Too much concrete. You see? Yeah, I have never seen something like this before in my life. See? Here. All concrete. So all concrete. Now, we have to remove this one all. Dismantle all. Then, after we fix it back, repair it. This is very Ghana show. I have never seen something like this before in my life. We went to Ghana for. I go away, and make it work. Where concrete, push it. After we finish concrete underground, we make what I don't know. I go and remove it there. Then you have the first time I do it, and then they had the first time. I'm going to see it. What? Hey! Oh, yeah. Hey! What I do? Sorry. Wait a minute, yeah. What is my way to get home? My way to get it. My way to get it. Eh? Oh, yeah. What is that? Oh, yeah, you know. This is crazy, eh? Wait, and I push it. Concrete. And my partner here. What is coming to here? You see? You can get it. It's a busy day. Today I don't have time for talking. I'm very busy. This is Ghana show. May God bless IMC. God bless my brother Prince of Dubai. Bye. Ciao.
Ines!
Talk any bad thing about my photo, but this one I will talk. These operators, they are very lazy people. Look, I have never seen something like this before. My YouTube video. Look, wait. I cannot even watch it. These people are very lazy people. Lazy people, lazy operator. YouTube video, check. My video, check. This one is a very lazy operator. Lazy. This operator is very lazy. Hiya. Have you seen?
Yes, I see.
I don't talk shit about people. But today I will talk. Because of this one, it's a very crazy thing. How can human being be lazy like this?
This one not
after finish work, you have to clean it. Wash the machine. If you wash the machine very well, this thing will not happen. Please, my brother. Let's go, operator. Let's go, operator. Where you are, my son, please. My God, this operator is very busy. Imagine. Okay? What do you see? This is very lazy people. After you finish this work, you need to clean it and wash machine. Now, this is very crazy. Grout pump is crying. There is here. Oh my God.
Zero brother, what is this?
Huh?
What is this?
Concrete, my brother.
Concrete?
Because of the operator and then other helpers, they are very lazy. After you wash this machine, this thing will happen. After you finish, you need to wash.
Yes.
You see? If not washing, then something like this will happen. You see? Oh! This is crazy.